If you are engaged in the management of the logistics industry, telecommunications base station, large engineering projects, and other industries, you should not miss this smart padlock with high security performance. It can be used in any place that needs to be managed. You can open the lock without mechanical keys and avoid management problems, such as key duplication. The administrator can monitor the locking location, people who open the lock, locking time, and other information in real time. The smart padlock mainly includes super lock, GPS lock, container lock, civil padlock, etc. Unlock methods include cell phone app unlock, biological fingerprint unlock, remote backend unlock. Smart lock expert Locksion is always online to create exclusive smart lock solutions.